Hey, it's Joe from StayFitAnywhere, where I'm helping you move freely so you can feel amazing and live your best life. So today it's all about loosening up your upper body. So mainly in your shoulders, your traps, the middle of your back, so your thoracic spine, your scapula, and your neck muscles. So when we're doing these mobility exercises, it might seem like it's isolated or focused on one area, but it actually hits multiple areas of your body since everything is connected. If you're feeling any pain or discomfort while you're doing these movements, stop the movements. I recommend seeing a medical professional, your physician or a massage therapist, get that diagnosed, and then come back and use these exercises to continue to maintain the mobility and to strengthen up your joints. So let's get going and loosening up that upper body. So all these exercises I'm going to show you, you can do anywhere in your own home, at the gym, hotel, it doesn't matter, you just got to do them. So this first exercise is going to be mainly targeted around your shoulder blades, so your scapula. You want it to be able to retract up and down, so that gives you full motion for your shoulder joint. So the first thing I want you to do is bend your elbow 90 degrees, and I want you to rotate that in so your palm is facing your face. From this position here, I want you to rotate out and then turn it up and bring your palm behind your head as much as you can. You might feel some tension into your shoulder joint if you're really tight and if your shoulders are forward rounded. Your elbow might come in, but that's okay. You're going to be working towards getting your hand to the back of your head. So if you can't do it right now, just go to a point where you don't have a lot of discomfort. So if it's only here that you're able to get to, that's fine. Just know your end goal is back here, right? So, and you don't want to be compensating by kind of curling your body in. So you want to make sure you're beginning with your palm facing, rotate, and then reach behind, and just go as far as you can, and then come back down, and back to the beginning. So you want to be doing this for about 30 seconds on each side. Stop the movement if you're feeling a lot of discomfort or shooting pains. This exercise is the neck rotational tug. So you're not tugging very hard, just gently. What you want to do, stand up straight, or you can sit down in a chair to do this too. Just make sure your body's nice and straight, like a neutral spine. So you want to start from one side by looking away, and then looking down to your shoulder, and then rolling, getting your chin towards your clavicle, and then as your eyes are looking, you're looking down at your other shoulder. From here, you want to take that opposite hand and just do a little bit of a tug. Not too hard. You want to hold this for probably about 5 to 10 seconds if you're able to. And then slowly go back to the other side, looking, and do a same tug. Holding for 5 to 10 seconds. You want to relax and breathe deeply so you can release some of the neck tension into both sides of your neck extensors. Do this exercise slowly so you can activate all the neck muscles. So this next exercise is going to hit into your shoulder blades, into the middle of the back, your thoracic spine, and hopefully help open up the pecs too at the same time, so your chest muscles and into your shoulder joint. So you can find any elevated surface, and what you want to do is kneel in front of it, or you can do the standing and then just bent over a table, anywhere that you want, edge of a bed, couch. So you want to place your elbows on the edge of the couch, you interlock your fingers behind your head, and you want to sink down. And as you're doing this, then you want to rotate up as high as you can, and then back down. So you want to do this movement slowly, almost like a 2 to 3 second count going up, 2 to 3 second count coming back down. Just go as far as you can. You don't want to be causing your body any aggravation or inflammation. So do this on both sides. I recommend doing 30 to 60 seconds on each side. And the key to this is make sure you're exhaling each time you're coming up. So those are a few upper body exercises that will really help begin loosening up your thoracic spine, so that's the middle of your back, your shoulder, scapular areas for your shoulder joints, and then also around your neck. And since all the muscles are connected, it's going to hit every single spot no matter which exercise you're doing first or second or third. Let me know how they feel. Leave me a comment below. And don't forget to download my free shoulder mobility Move Better guide. I've also left that in the descriptions. These exercises can be done daily. You should put them into a regular mobility routine to really help maintain your joints and make sure they're nice and strong and stable, so you're still able to do the activities you enjoy when you're 50, 60, 70, and beyond. If you missed a lower body mobility routine starting with the hips, gotta check that out.